Daljit Singh, would you accept this report that we just put out? The track record of the CBI shows, and even if you leave the CBI aside for a moment, look at other state police forces proving abetment to suicide in a court of law. Forget public perception for a moment. In a court of law is incredibly difficult to do.
That's correct. It is difficult, and especially look at the stage when CBI gets involved. CBI, even in Arushi case, got involved at a later date. Jia Khan, a later date. By that time, the water is already thrown from under the bridge. It becomes a very, very difficult task. As this case is concerned, it is a case of murder. Prima facie, I think the CBI is going to be investigating that angle of murder. And if it is an angle of murder, there are circumstances here which definitely are going to be, in the interest of justice. CBI is going to be carrying out custodial interrogation of a lot of accused in this particular case to come to the bottom of this case.
I want to go across at this time to the former Joint Director of the Central Bureau of Investigation, Shantanu Sen. He joins us as the first team of the CBI reaches Mumbai to begin this probe. Two more teams of the Central Bureau of Investigation will be heading to Mumbai as well. Mr. Sen, you've spent a lot of your career in the CBI. It's come in at a time when there's a lot of national attention on the Central Bureau of Investigation. We've seen the Jia Khan case, we've seen the Arushi Talwar case. Proving these charges in a court of law is far trickier than just having these charges bandied about left, right and center. How confident are you, given the stage at which the CBI is entering this probe and all that's happened so far, that the CBI will be ultimately able to establish the answer to that one question that everyone's asking: was Sushant murdered or did he commit suicide?
Look, Rahul, this case was not taken up by the CBI on its own. There was a cry for CBI investigations, and everybody agreed finally that CBI is the proper agency to investigate this case. Now, it's a difficult case. First of all, it's a case of abetment to suicide, but that's not the only charge. There are other charges like confinement, 406, breach of trust, and cheating. So CBI will investigate all the sections. Now, none of us are astrologers. None of us can really predict the end of this investigation. But all we can say is that CBI was considered by all agencies, including Riya Chakravarti, as the best agency to investigate this case. And CBI has a very good track record of taking over investigations from various states and doing a good job, doing a satisfactory job.
Now, we've seen, Mr. Sen, that there's a demand that's been raised by the family of Sushant Singh Rajput and the lawyers of Sushant Singh Rajput that the CBI should first take Riya Chakravarti into custody, begin her custodial interrogation, and only then will they be able to establish whether this was a case of murder or not. That if they go the regular route, it will take too much time and it could end up being a dead case. How do you respond to this demand, sir?
CBI is a professional investigating agency with a good track record, a very good name in India. And CBI will go by the evidence available, by the details which they unearth during the preliminary investigations and the detailed investigations. CBI will decide when to arrest. Nobody, not even the courts in India, can dictate arrest. Remember that. That's absolutely the jurisdiction of the CBI. The desire of arrest in the minds of the lawyers of the family of Sushant Singh Rajput or that of the family of Sushant Singh Rajput can be understood. But CBI will not be moved by just desires. CBI will have to stand up in court and file details of inquiries establishing that the arrest was done for good and proper reasons. If the reasons are not good, you remember when Indira Gandhi was arrested by CBI at the urging of everybody else, the next day she was discharged. CBI cannot repeat that. CBI will collect evidence, CBI will unearth material, CBI will prepare a record before arresting him so that when after 24 hours of the arrest, the magistrate will consider CBI prayer, CBI will be given time to further interrogate. CBI will get proper custody and CBI will in my opinion, and what we used to do, we used to arrest so that we could complete the investigation in the next 3 months. In cases of cognizable crime, if the investigation and the charge sheet is not completed within 3 months, the accused gets statutory bail, and then they are out of reach. So CBI is very careful. CBI will interrogate. There are methods of interrogation without apprehension, without custody. Yes, I can understand custodial interrogation is important. Let that be decided by the CBI and not by the lawyers of Sushant Singh Rajput or his friends.